Hello guys. Our topic today is brown bear. So brown bear is a big mammal lives in the many part of the world, such as U.S., Europe, or Asia. So they are om- omnivorous, so which means they can eat anything such as grass, fruit, or meat. But mostly they eat meat. Uh, the average of the brown bear weighs in Haiti between 180 to 316 kilogram, or and exceptionally they can weigh up to 720 kilogram or 1,600 pounds, and 2.4 to 2.7 meter in height, which means this is a tank of the nature. Normally, they eat eight and they eat 5,000 to 8,000 um, calories per day and can up to 20,000 to 30,000 calories per day during the hypertrophy. Brown bear is so strong. In normal condition, raw force of the brown bear can cost between uh, 15,000 to 20 newtons, which means equivalent being crushed by a 2-ton car. In addition, brown bear can bite 1,116 to 120, 1,020, 1,200 psi pounds per pound square inch. That means being stepped on by an elephant each, each inch. So don't fight a brown bear. Uh, Unlike the other bear, brown bears don't undergo the true hibernation. Instead, they go winter lethargy or dining. During this period, a brown bear's temperature drops moderately, typically from around uh, 38, 38 Celsius or 100 Fahrenheit to about 31 to 34 Celsius and around 88 to 93 Fahrenheit. A reduction of the a reduction only 5 to 7 Celsius. Their ho- their heart their heart rate decreases significantly from normally 40 to 70 beats per minute down to 8 to 19 beats per minute. But this is the considerably higher than the near single digit rates from the two hibernators. This is the end of the clip. So what do you guys call? So what do you guys call a bear without socks? A barefoot.